Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel. Now, have you been looking for free proxies to add to your Peer2Profit network? If you have, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a new proxy service that I've found, and I've had limited success with it. The service is called RazorProxy, and they're currently giving away 500 megabytes of data, and I've been able to actually add this successfully. It is a data center, so the prices will be completely different. The better the price would be for residential properties than it would be for anything business or any data center type of networks that would be connected up to your account. So this is the website. I've had limited success, as I said, so far. There is no referral link, so all you need to do is just follow the link that will be in the description and go through, register yourself for your account up, follow yourself back to your proxy account, go on to your network, go on to Proxies tab, import proxy, and once they give you your own password and username, make sure you follow the correct protocol and put in your username, pass and your port, and press import, and then that should update and it will go live in green onto there. Now it hasn't actually updated and show you on there that I've used anything because it still says the same thing, but as you can see on the RazorProxy, it's already started to send over data. So this won't be a lot, but it's definitely something worth testing out, and they do have some good shared plans with us and unlimited on there for 10 plus IPs for that, so it could work out to be quite profitable. We do have to find out to see how much they do pay for just for the 500 megabytes. But it's a step in the right direction. If you're looking for more free proxies to add to your Peer2Profit network, this would be a good one to add. There is something else that I have been looking in, but once I find out whether that's successful or not, I will do another video to let you guys know in regards to how successful that was. But thanks for watching the video, guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.